In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll dive into Lytx's new suite of features, 2 integrations, and enhanced Wi-Fi reliability for truckers. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Video and safety platform Lytx has launched an advanced suite of features, including tools designed to transform how commercial fleets identify, assess, and act on environmental risk in real time. Called Dynamic Risk, it harnesses data from Lytx's network of cloud-connected cameras to gather data science, historical context, and live environmental inputs to provide fleets with a comprehensive, forward-looking view of safety and operational challenges. Lytx's CEO said, "Dynamic risk is not just about detecting risk after the fact. It empowers drivers and managers with the intelligence to anticipate and proactively prevent incidents before they happen, helping protect their drivers, avoid costly incidents, and operate more efficiently in a rapidly changing world." New features available now include crucial risk context that can be automatically tagged to events with poor weather conditions such as low visibility, snowy roads, wet roads, etc. Currently in beta, Dynamic Risk Index is a weighted scoring model that will incorporate into existing coaching workflows and adjust based on the environmental factors happening in the moment. In-cab weather alerts is also in beta. Bosch Mobility Platform and Solutions LLC has integrated its FleetME maintenance management platform with Konexial's embedded telematics technology. The collaboration combines Bosch's maintenance and connectivity solutions with Konexial's edge computing geo-operations platform, enabling enhanced real-time diagnostics, maintenance insights, and operational control for fleet managers. Konexial's advanced ELD and edge computing telematics will be available as a feature on the Bosch Connectivity Hub, a telematics device that also integrates any and all connected vehicle components, sensors, and software, and data is aggregated and unified within the FleetME platform. Embedding Konexial's ELD directly into the OEM-grade Bosch C-Hub helps streamline compliance, supports data reliability, and potentially reduces the need for third-party hardware. EpicWiFi, an in-cab entertainment and connectivity provider for the trucking industry, has rolled out enhanced reliability features for EpicWiFi, its plug-and-play, high-speed in-cab internet solution for fleets and professional over-the-road drivers. EpicWiFi's purpose-built 5G router, designed for life on the highway, now includes advanced redundancy to maintain seamless connectivity in challenging network environments. The device offers Wi-Fi 6 capability and automatic LTE fallback, ensuring drivers stay connected for live video streaming, communication, and other high-data applications. Commercial mapping and fleet tech provider McNally has partnered with Platform Science to bring its next-generation RAN navigation powered by RAN Road IQ to the virtual vehicle marketplace and the Platform Science connected fleet ecosystem. Fleets using Platform Science will now have access to McNally's navigation service with no additional hardware or integration required. Compared to standard maps, Road IQ includes approximately 33% more truck-specific attributes such as low-clearance bridges, weight restrictions, and hazmat-limited routes. The system uses real-time traffic, weather, and operational data to refine routing, offering fleets optimized travel time and safer route guidance based on vehicle type and conditions. The company's acquisitions of FleetSue and Safety Direct have expanded its reach into telematics, analytics, and driver safety data, enabling future opportunities to deepen the system's predictive intelligence and safety scoring based on insights into driver performance and vehicle health. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.